Then along with that, if you go for yourself, I don't need to speak about this now because all of you have access to very, very smart the opportunities of seeing for yourself. But yes, there are immense career prospects in the whole fintech industry, considering that the traditional banks are also completely moving to these uh, new fintech adoption technologies. So you have the position of a technical manager, you have the product position of a product manager, and these profiles range from the top industries, the top firms, to new startups. So you can have a completely holistic experience of working in a startup environment, also of working in a very, very organized industry, or working in a company which has been running for years and years, and also working with organizations which have different categories or different departments they are doing their work in, enter into a traditional bank, come up with a new entrepreneurship idea, everything, have your own entrepreneurship idea as well. So it's not limited that post doing this course or post doing any course in fintech for that matter, you will be limited to just do a corporate job or just be an entrepreneur or just work in a startup, because there are different job opportunities across different segments and sectors. Then there are positions of senior UI developer for fintech products, because you're also taught UI courses and design courses while doing the fintech course. Becoming a business manager, because you're also talking about the marketing techniques, you're researching about the back-end sales and the strategy management. So everything, like whatever the student enters the course and they realize that, ma'am, I think I have more inclination, or sir, I think I have more inclination towards designing of the fintech products. So you can completely do your on the job on the during your course internship in a UI course or in a UX course in some fintech organization. You can also, if some student realizes, ma'am, I really love strategy, I want to enter into strategy management of some fintech organization, you can get into that also. If some student feels that, ma'am, I want to get into a traditional bank after doing this, I think I want to work in a traditional bank and I want to make sure that I am amending the way these traditional organizations are working, you can get into that as well. So you have that opportunity or that scope or that leverage over other courses over here, where you can for yourself, post studying the course, figure out what is your area of strength and your area of interest. So that is one very, very good part about these courses, that it is giving you not just an idea about the what's going to happen in future or what's going to be popular in future, but is also giving you a very holistic idea of how much have we traveled in the past, how have the structures been in the past, how do these traditional systems work. So we give you a very, very holistic perspective about every possible thing which could be taught to a student in their undergrad program. Even if you just type fintech professional on Glassdoor or on Naukri.com or on LinkedIn or all of these very common platforms for finding jobs, you will see that there are thousands and thousands of jobs of different kinds, of different genres, of different expertise, of various packages, with different amount of experiences in different locations, and you can pick and choose what will be the most favorable for you, because there are enough opportunities in the industry and these are only growing because of the intervention and new government policies coming every day.